Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Alright, that looks like it'll be fine. A lot of times people use a rubber float to push it in. You push the grout in, and that's okay. Very, very familiar myself with a 6-inch knife or such, and it's very handy for me. This is a good example why I don't like to use
Steel? Aluminum?
non-stainless compared to stainless. Stainless can be sitting out around and never rust up, whereas this might have been clean and now it's all rusted up. And that would transfer into this white. And those pits, or little holes in that knife from the rust, end up making holes when you finish. So I don't normally, I probably got that at a thrift store or something. It's good if you can continually oil them. A lot of times we're in a hurry, patch job, and doesn't get cleaned well enough or oiled, taking the time with a little bit of oil to keep it from rusting. But that's why I use stainless. They're hard on your hands, but that's why I use it. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.